Hi family, my name is Melita. If you don't know that because you're new here. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you how I created this look. It is a soft glam smoky eye. That's how I call it at least. So the first palette I'll be using is this Butter London palette, and I'm going to be going in for the very dark brown in the middle here. Okay, and I'm using the Morphe 330 brush, and I'll just focus that in the corner first, and I'm gonna end up going all over. And then I'll be going in with the Juvia's Place Wahala palette, and I'm gonna be using this right here, sis, the very deep dark, almost like black brown, and I will put that in my crease as well. Picking up that 330 brush again and just blending, making sure everything is nice, soft, and seamless. And going into this M350 palette, I'm going to be using this burnt orange right here, just to put it in between my crease and my lid right here, just so make sure everything is nice and soft. Okay, so y'all know I love me some cut crease, so I'm gonna be going in with the Elegant Pro concealer, and that's the white one, to cut my crease. I'm just gonna go in with my pencil brush just to make sure I still have that darkness in my crease, and make sure everything is nice and sharp. And I'm gonna go back into the 350 palette and don't use this color right here. They do not have name on it, but it's kind of rosy, like really nice. And I will just put it on my lid. CoverGirl liner. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my lashes. Y'all know my favorite lashes already. So skin, I'm first gonna hydrate my skin with my Marie Bodescu Rose Water. For primer, I will be going in with my Lancome primer. I'm actually waiting for my Becca primer because it's summer and your girl need to stay matte. I'm gonna be glowy and matte at the same time. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with this Iconic London Prep Set and Glow water. I just have to shake it up properly. On my face, that's gonna give me the glow from under. And for my foundation, I'll be using the Lancome. Shake it up well. And I go between my pump brush between my sponge and brush, because I find that I get better and flawless coverage like that. Before I go in with my concealer, what I've been doing lately is setting my foundation first, and this is a translucent white powder. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in like so and tap up the excess and just go all over my face and set my foundation. For my concealer, I'm gonna be using these two, you know that already. I use two concealers. Now I'm just gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way just for a little bit more highlight, but not too much. Just in the center. Go in with my Tarte Contour palette to set my cream contour. Fam, this brings us to the end of this video. Let me know what you think about this look. Hold up, if you're not yet subscribed, definitely subscribe. I will give you 5 seconds. Okay, you have subscribed. Hit the notification bell. That way you're always notified whenever I upload, because when you're subscribed and you do not hit the notification bell, you don't know when I upload, and subscribing becomes pointless. Okay, comment down below, tell me what you think about this look. Like this video if you liked it, and let's have a conversation. Okay, give me a look suggestions of videos that you would like to see, looks that you would like to see. I would definitely be glad to create it, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.